It's hard to talk about what coffee is for me since it became my job.
Coffee started as a job to me, but it became so quickly my life.
It's a place I can always explore and taste new things, and it's also one of the easiest things to make for another person that's just like a beautiful, simple gesture.
Eagle One is the beginning of a new era of design and espresso coffee machine.
For me, Eagle One is a chance to engage with the newer world of specialty coffee. It's spread from the major cities to every community around the world, every city around the world.
Sustainability means use of energy, space saving, new materials, accessibility.
So for me right now, it's finding the way that's the least wasteful, the most efficient to do great coffee. That's a problem worth solving. We have to be more responsible about how we chase down great coffee in our businesses. We have to be less wasteful.
The space in the coffee shops nowadays is getting more and more important. So all the project design engineers need to have in mind to develop compact coffee machines to meet the new space.
When you're considering the materials that go into a coffee machine, I think it's important not just to consider how recyclable those materials are, but how do they impact the energy usage of the machine.
Technology of the Eagle One has been developed to make it accessible to all coffee community, from professional to new experienced baristas.
Innovation for me is about discovering important problems and solving them. Innovation is not just new things, it's not just new ideas for the sake of novelty. It's about honing in on the challenges that we face as an industry and fixing those, solving those in new and interesting ways.
NEO means New Engine Optimization, and this is the base of the Eagle One concept.
And I think that's a really great name for the technology, not just because it's an anagram of one, but because it is a genuinely new approach, a more optimal approach to heating water for brewing espresso.
You will see a very different machine, a very different engine inside. There will be new materials for boiler. There will be new pressures inside the system. There will be new material for insulation. Everything has been designed to be more compact, to be more performance, and to respect more the environment.
One of the really fun things about Eagle One is that the way the panels are constructed, it means it's actually incredibly easy to customize it. You could make your back panel out of almost any material and very easily attach it. So you can really customize, tailor this machine to your environment, to your cafe so easily. And I think we're going to see some very cool stuff in the future. I think when it comes to design, it's important not to ignore the heritage a brand or a company might have. Victoria Arduino has a huge, long heritage. It's over 100 years old. That's rare and that's unusual. So I think it's important to occasionally pay attention to the past, what came before, but not necessarily try and replicate that again. Be influenced by your past, own your past, but take it in a new direction. That's, I think, the idea behind the design.
Designing Eagle One has been a big challenge for me because it means rethinking all the engine and all the frame of the machine to create the best user experience for the baristas. Big innovation in a compact space. This is Eagle One.
I've been working with Victoria Arduino, I think, for 9 years or so now, and this is, I think, the third project that I've worked on. And for me, probably the most exciting. It's the one that's the biggest in scope and has the largest potential for a huge positive impact on our industry.
The future of coffee starts from here.
Eagle One, future begins.